Wait.
You don't want to overwhelm it.
Ah!
Okay?
Wow!
But it's for bones, chicken bones. I mean, this is already ground, so it doesn't need to go in.
Wala ka na.
It's simple like all.
So give me chicken bones. And look inside. And never put too much.
Don't put your finger there, huh?
You can go like this. Up to here is okay, but not like this. No. Like this is okay. Never like this.
Yeah, just touch
Just
your
like
finger.
this. Shine the light inside. Did you turn it off?
Yeah.
That's what this is for. Put this in, and it won't splash.
Okay.
Okay? Now give me banana peels.
Banana pa daw.
Walang banana
Dahon.
Wala.
No, we don't have.
You don't
I'm
have?
so sorry.
You have any
Better luck next time.
chicken bones? Okay, you can stop taking.